Automate property operations, modernize the resident experience, and deliver a unique benefit that sets your properties apart and drives retention with Zego Mobile Doorman. Residents enjoy a modern mobile app experience that gets them to what they need quickly right from their home screen. Quick links provide fast access to our most popular features, while our dynamic Things to Do widgets highlight items needing action from the resident. Plus, increase digital payment utilization while saving your staff time with the My Payments button. The Frequent Action button provides additional access to in-app functionality with action-oriented prompts.
Showcase timely information or property-specific initiatives such as your property contact information, office hours, or information about your property app using content tiles on the resident home screen.
Streamline resident communication with in-app messaging, including an easy-to-navigate notifications tab, allowing residents to quickly find important messages from your property, as well as chat functionality, enabling you to easily connect with residents one-on-one in a threaded format. The Residents tab of the Zego Mobile Doorman app provides residents a one-stop shop for all actions pertaining to their unit, including upcoming payments, packages needing to be picked up, and access to submitting or viewing in-progress maintenance requests. Via our intuitive maintenance request process, residents can provide details, photos, and entry permissions with a few quick taps. Users are then automatically kept up to date via alerts on the status and completion of in-progress orders. Via the Property tab, residents are able to easily access and manage facilities outside their units, including authorized entrance, registering visitors or deliveries, and reserving amenities available to them on site. Give residents the power to view and reserve spaces for personal needs all within their resident app, including the ability to add guests, sign waivers, and accept terms and conditions before reserving. Plus, enable future residents access to view and reserve select amenities such as the freight elevator prior to their move-in. Finally, connect residents to the community around them with rich functionality, including an in-app marketplace for local and national perks, our signature virtual bulletin board, as well as access to view, RSVP, and add upcoming events to their calendars. Property staff using Zego Mobile Doorman enjoy a user-friendly dashboard, providing them at-a-glance summaries of items needing attention and shift notes from peers to share timely information with incoming staff. Our dashboard also includes an intuitive navigation bar with the most used features pinned to the top for quick access. It also includes features that keep office operations running smoothly and communication tools for on-site staff and managing renters along the resident life cycle, plus a slew of features dedicated to making your residents' experience first class within your community. Zego's digital walkthrough digitizes and streamlines the move-in process for residents and staff. Walkthroughs are automatically generated based on customizable event triggers, allowing residents to complete their move-in walkthrough via the app. Staff can easily review walkthrough summaries, chat with the resident, and take action to approve, including seamlessly creating new maintenance requests for issues needing repair. Zego's messaging dashboard provides staff with a reliable way to communicate with their entire community, send key marketing messages, and ensure timely delivery to residents. Easily create group messages with enhanced formatting and personalization tokens, as well as attach in-app promos or files to create rich resident communication at scale in a snap.
Zego Mobile Doorman gives property staff the control they need to effectively manage shared amenities and rentables. They can view an actionable summary of the day's reservations at a glance. They can also access a full overview of each amenity, including the amenity details, availability, and reservations. Staff can also easily make reservations on behalf of a resident or block out entire days to make time for property needs such as equipment repairs. Simplify resident experience management at your multifamily properties with Zego Mobile Doorman.
Our customizable resident app automates critical workflows, boosting satisfaction, retention, and profitability. Get a demo today.